Hey guys, still here in Sedona, and we're checking out one of Lisa Dahl's restaurants. Nicole has been dying to get to one of her restaurants, so we're finally going to check out Dahl and Luca and see how amazing this place is. So come and join us. All right, we went with the Chianti Reserva. And what do we do here, babe?
Well, it's just the caprese.
Just the caprese, but it's got the a little bit different tomatoes here, fresh olive oil. Oh, looks beautiful. All right, and we did dessert, pistachio gelato, and we went with the Bordeaux Saturnus dessert wine. You know, you might as well. All right, guys, dinner was delicious. I actually was very impressed with the food here, and glad we finally got to one of Lisa Dahl's favorites. Look, there she is. Yep. Anyways, I loved everything. It was a great experience. Yeah, and I definitely recommend this spot. Make reservations way in advance.
Yeah, like 3 months.
Don't fall back there. Yeah. Like I said, especially after COVID, reservations at some of these nicer places and that, it's a must. So anyways, from Sedona, we'll see ya.